So 1 minute.
Ganesh, you start recording, huh?
So we'll start and we'll have a countdown.
What? Countdown?
Who's recording?
So, Savio recording, it has started recording.
No, that is video recording. Ganesh sir is going to do the screen recording. No?
But it's the same thing, no? Screen recording is this recording. Video recording is the entire presentation.
Okay. Got it. Okay, sir. Yeah, I'll start.
So we'll start.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, good afternoon to everybody. Yeah, so this is our Embedos 7-inch integrated HMI solution. It functions as a data logger primarily, and as you can see, there is there's a data logger connected behind it with several interfaces to it. We have got analog input, digital input, CAN and RS485 interface, as well as analog output and digital output available to us. The various sensors can be connected, sensors or other devices can be connected to our data logger, and the same data can be seen in a graphical and very understandable manner on our screen. This screen can also has got various tabs which will give you the complete information about the data that is being logged, as well as in real time you will be able to see the variations in data. The first page is real time data. We have got a gauge over here which to represent the variations in the data as the data will increase. So right now for this demonstration we have got a vibration sensor. We have got a vibration sensor over here connected to our analog input, connected behind to our analog input 4, and this is a 4 to 20 milliampere output vibration sensor, and when the vibrations increase, corresponding current will also increase, and you will be able to see it on the gauge over here. Side by side there is a real-time chart over here which will plot the values onto the graph. There are two points of threshold or set points that are also over here that can be set by the user to monitor a specific range of values, especially of importance to them. So that is our base application over here, stylus. So should I explain further? Yeah. So yes, sir.
You can the connected vibration sensor. We can demonstrate Viraj now.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Show the video.
To vibrate kar मैं explain दूँ.
Wait, but should the vibration come on the screen or should we show?
Should we bang the table?
See, this has to be
You
bang.
can, you can keep it like this and then tap on the table. No?
No, that is there. Should be shown.
Please put the sensor inside the camera view and vertically and tap
On the table.
on the table so that vibrations get created, and at the same time we can see it on the display.
So, Yash, you should hold
The
this.
sensor
like that.
vertically in front
Tap
of
somebody.
the.
Sir, but
That you don't move. Mine
you keep you keep
पूरा view में नहीं आ रहा है ना sensor.
ठीक है ना, but थोड़ा sensor is fine, no?
इसमें आ रहा है, that's fine.
Okay. लेफ्ट में देखिए ह्याच्या मध्ये येतंय ते थोडं. Yes sir, in the video recording we are able to get it in the screen. So
Yeah.
So tap. So
No,
now
No.
Yeah, so
Tap
we
on the-
do this tap.
So now my colleague Mihir has started tapping on the table on which the vibration sensor is vertically positioned.
Show the sensor.
Sir.
Let it come on the.
Sir.
Let it come inside the view.
Sir, we are taking one more video on another phone. Now this video you can see on your screen is different from the video that is being taken alag se.
Alright, ठीक है, go ahead.
So we stopped tapping the table, and Yash is holding the vibration sensor in a vertical manner. Now as the knocks increase, you can see the gauge also value increasing from 20 to now 40, 50, and I would request him to also, so now it has gone to, as he has increased the hitting frequency and pressure, it has gone higher, 170, 160, and so as you can see, the vibrations are being marked clearly on the gauge. Now I would like to shift your attention to the chart as well, in the same way that the values have changed on the gauge. You can see it on the chart as well, in a sort of a with the time as the x-axis. We can see the values changing, and it is being plotted every 1 second. This interval can also be put in the settings page of this application, which I will show to you later on. So I think I'll just change the
Page.
tab. Page. So now I will show you the reports page. So reports page will have, so this has a date of selection. The date of selection is obtained over here, April 9th as of today, and you can get the values over here on this reports page. So I'll just put, say, last 30 days value and search. Press on to search, so you can see over here the values have come of logging that are there. So 20, whatever the way that the values have increased, we can see it on this reports page. And now this report can also be downloaded by us locally onto the device, which you can then take see on your laptop using a pen drive. So when I press the Excel button, the report has now downloaded onto the device, and if a pen drive is connected, then it has been copied into your pen drive. You can then eject the pen drive and see the data later on your pen drive as well. So this is another feature that we the main data logging feature, as well as downloading feature of our data logger solution. Now application specific certain settings are there that we have got, wherein you can enter, especially the pole interval in this case over here, which is 1 second. We have got this virtual keypad which is easy to use, and you can change the settings as well over here. So if you want to change it to 2 seconds, then you can change it to 2 seconds and then press the save button, and the settings have been saved now. The logging will now be of every 2 seconds instead of 1 second. Now another page is channel settings. So this is our page in which you can view the data in especially the gauge, and calibrate the data in the manner that you want to. Now I'll show you on real time page right now. The calibration is 0 to 400, 0 corresponding to 4 milliampere current or certain 4 milliampere current, and 400 to 20 milliampere, which in vibration would be which could correspond to any vibration value. So let us say now that for us 4 milliampere is so I press on this report this tab, and then I press edit. So say
Viraj,
yes sir.
Vibration parameters are measured in velocity.
Okay.
millimeter per second. So 4 milliampere is 0 mm per second,
Right.
and 20 milliampere will be 25 mm or 50 mm per second. So
Okay,
that's how
sir.
a vibration sensor works.
Right. Yes, sir. So,
So
yeah.
essentially, two things. One is this can be used for any of the parameters because we have only to select and give meaning to the electronic signal that is connected to it. So essentially, for the unit, vibration, temperature, humidity,
Right.
all these functions could be
Right, sir.
connected and measured. Yeah.
Right, sir. Yes. So, should I show anything or I can show that?
No, so you say that if it is vibration,
Right.
the unit is velocity, and the range for this particular vibration sensor is this is 0 to 25. So
Right.
accordingly, the graphs will be shown. Yeah.
Right, sir. So right now that same setting 0 to 50 we have assumed, and I have set two set points, one at 10 and other at 25. Okay, and so our data logger will basically take that and plot the graph as well as the gauge. So now I'll press on the submit button and I'll close this, and on the real time data page we should be able to see. So now as you can see, the data has changed from 0 to 50, the gauge has changed from 0 to 50, and vibration
That you'll see.
value you can see. And if I increase the vibration now, so you can see that it is increasing to 5.
The probe is horizontal, Viraj.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So this is now newly calibrated values, as you can see, that have come on the chart as well as on the gauge. Yes, so this is our complete showcase of
Yeah.
all.
So
Yes.
whatever data that is recorded, we can load it onto a pen drive,
Right, sir.
and then that can be taken to another system, and we can have a .csv file recorded. That is one. Secondly, it has an Ethernet port, and we can get this data remotely by connecting it to the web page of the logger. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we can get the data remotely as well by connecting it to the internet via either the Ethernet interface. We have got Wi-Fi availability also, so Wi-Fi as well is also, connectivity is also possible. Hello.
Sir?
So, see, all this functionality can be seen remotely. I mean, what web page we are seeing currently on the display,
This is not.
exactly same functionality is possible that we can see it on from a remote computer.
No,
This is not sending anything right now.
No,
not
sir.
right now, but we can.
Can, yeah.
Yeah. So it has the ability, sir, to send it, but we can't see it remotely right now, and not in the same this. We will have to.
So the
on
current
dashboard.
application is hosted on the device, so it is not being connected on the internet. But if we give it an internet connection,
No, we'll have to send it also then to the dashboard, our cloud dashboard.
yeah, but only if you give it internet connection.
Yeah, after giving internet connection, we'll
Can be done, but it is not.
No. My question is, see, this is a web application,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and what we are seeing is a web page, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Local. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. No, so can we access this web page from a remote browser?
But remote is.
Remote browser.
So if it is a local network and you want to access it remotely, then through VPN only.
VPN. Only VPN is used.
Alright, then the data, how is it accessible to a locally connected computer?
So, sir, it is since it is in the same network, you know the IP address of the device, and you can basically connect to all the locally HTTP requests you have to send.
Same page you can open
Yeah.
locally as well.
Same page you can open locally anywhere.
So you just put in the IP.
Precisely, that's what I'm asking. So this page can be seen locally on a local browser, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I mean,
In the
on a
facility,
browser
yes.
to which this gets connected.
Yes.
Yeah.
This functionality will be available to let's say to a laptop which is connected on Wi-Fi, or to a laptop which is connected on the same net,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
on the same subnet, yeah,
Yeah.
or whatever, or same corporate network.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. No. So we can see the gauges, we can see the chart, we can see everything.
Yes. The whole thing. Yeah, the same application. Same thing.
All right. Yeah. Okay. I think this is a good presentation, and we can share this. Yeah.